YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shutana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So first of all, wish you all a very happy new year. I hope and wish you all have a great year ahead, and I am very sorry that I'm running a little late with my content as always, and I was about to film these favorite series videos during the last few days of December, but I was stuck with some work and a lot of things happened. I'm not going to explain anything of that sort here because there's no excuses, right? So I have decided that no matter what, I'm going to film this favorites video for sure. And also this was requested. Few people requested me to make my favorite video. I have made one during, I guess, when it was around 6 months into 2021. I have made a half yearly favorite video, and right now this will be a annual favorites video, like favorite products of 2021. Even though I keep on sharing all my favorite products all the time on my channel itself, but still I thought I will make this video, but I have not included every single product because this is not possible. Anyway, this video is going to get very long. I've also made short videos regarding my favorite products, like I've made videos categorically, like on my favorite kajals, eyeliners, blushes, like that, and those videos will also drop super soon. But still I have I thought of doing a sit down and chat kind of video on my favorite products of 2021. Also, these are the products that I have used the most on 2021, like during 2021. So these are also my most used products of 2021. So if you want to know what are those products, then yeah, please keep on watching. So if you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys would know that I do not experiment a lot with my base products, and yeah, I use very limited base products, and those are my holy grail products. So first of all, we are going to start off with primers, and I have quite a few primers with me right now. The first primer I have is from MyGlam. This is a MyGlam Tinted Perfection Base Primer and Pore Minimizer, and this one is a beautiful primer if you have oily skin and if you also have pore issues, because this actually blurs out the pores really well, and this works on my skin so beautifully. Like it gives a very smooth canvas over which the foundation or whatever you're applying is going to set in a very beautiful way. This primers comes in two variants, banana and transparent. The one I have is the transparent one. They also comes in a banana variant. You can check that out as well. So yeah, this is the first primer that I absolutely love. The second primer that I love is this Maybelline primer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless primer. This is the best primer if you have normal to oily skin. Like if you have oily skin, oily combination skin, you can use this primer, and this is going to make your skin matte. Like this mattifies the skin really well and also gives a very smooth canvas for your foundation application. I absolutely love this primer. I am using this for such a long time, but so much of product is still left in it. Like you need very little amount of it and you are good to go. So I love using this on my T-zone and on my on the areas that I want a very nice smooth base. Like on pores, this one works beautifully. This is a cream based sort of primer, and I love this one. And this one is written that this one is a primer with clay, and this also comes in another variant that is the dewy variant. You can go for that as well if you have very dry skin. I have not tried that one. I wanted to try that one during the winters, but yeah, I couldn't get that one, so I haven't tried that. But yeah, this is my most favorite primer, and yeah, I have used this one so much during 2021. And a good highlighting primer is always my favorite, and I love using highlighting primers a lot. And I have two highlighting primers from Swiss Beauty itself. The first one is this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer, and I have this in the shade Golden Tint, and I have used this so much. This is a cream based product, and this is basically a highlighting primer. Like whenever you're applying this is going to give you a very nice sheen on your face. Like this is going to make your skin feel like you're glowing from within. Like look at that shine and glow. But even if you have oily skin, you can still use this, like, because a lot of people thinks that this kind of primers might be a little too heavy on oily skin, but I do have an oily combination skin. Yes, during summers this can get a little heavy, like whenever you're sweating a lot and all of that, this can be a little heavy. But if you're using what I do is I use a pore filling primer or a mattifying primer first, and then I apply this highlighting primer, and over that I use my foundation, concealers and and I set my base with a very nice compact or banana powder. So if you're doing it that way, this is going to stay for a really long time and you're not going to feel chip or sticky or anything of that sort, because the consistency is not sticky. This gets absorbed into the skin and gives a very nice glow from within kind of finish. So you can definitely go for this one. But if you have very oily skin, during summers you cannot use it, but yeah, during winters and during this festive season and all of that, this is going to be your best friend. I have used it on my face today also, and look at that glow. I'm glowing like anything. Like, I'm really loving my base today. So yeah, you can definitely go for these primers. The next one that I have is also from Swiss Beauty, and this is the Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base, and yeah, this is how this one looks like. I have this in the shade Silver Pink. Now this one is a little bit more glowy than that one. That one is more on the subtle side and this one is more blingy, I can say. Also, since this is a silver pink kind of shade, you can get a white cast on your skin, so you can look for the other variant that is available in this primer, which I'm also looking for. I might try that as well this year. But yeah, I have used this one also. Like, if you're very fair, this is going to suit you really well, but from fair to medium skin tone, this is going to suit well, but over that I think this can leave a white cast. So yeah, this is the next primer. And also this has a beautiful fragrance in it. I love this primer a lot. I'm going to try the other variant of this one as well. But if you ask me which one I liked more, I liked the Real Makeup Base one more, and I used it more often. So yeah, but still all the primers are my most favorite and the products that I have used the most in 2021. Next I have is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the only foundation that I have used in 2021. Other than this, I have also used the MyGlam Pose HD foundation during a lot of my tutorials, but in my real life and during whenever I'm shooting also, this is the foundation that I always go for. This one works beautifully on my skin, and the best part that I feel about this foundation is that this works beautifully during winters and summers as well. Like, during summers, this doesn't melt away. Like, this stays on my face. If I'm using a nice setting powder and setting spray, this one actually stays during summer, and during winter also this doesn't feel dry on my skin. And that is the best part of this foundation, that this actually balances out with your skin. Like, this merges with your skin so well during summers and also during winters. Like, since I have an oily combination skin, so this one works beautifully on my skin. I do not know if people from very dry skin category or very oily skin category, how it is going to function on them, but on my skin, on an oily combination skin. And also I feel this foundation is going to work really well on oily skin people as well, because this is a matte foundation. But people who have very dry skin, you need to prep your skin really well before applying this foundation. Even though this is not excessively dry, but still skin prepping is always important, no matter if you're oily combination or dry skin type person. You need to prep your skin and then apply your foundation, and this one is my most favorite. I'm in the shade 128, and yeah, this is my most favorite foundation. I've almost finished this one, and I've restocked this one as well. So yeah, this is the next product. And the other one that I have is this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and yeah, I have this in the shade 02. This is like an highlighting concealer on my skin tone, but I am looking for a shade darker than this one, because I feel that is going to look better on me. Like, this one is a little light on my skin tone, and I think the 03 shade is going to suit more on my skin tone. Like, that would be my perfect match. But yeah, I have used this concealer so much. You guys can see I'm almost done with this one. I have also restocked this one as well. So yeah, this is the next product that I absolutely loved using in 2021. And the other product that I have used a lot, like, I've almost already finished that one, and this one is also on the verge of finishing, because I spritz a very generous amount of setting spray on my face. I love doing that, and this one actually works. I wore this underneath my mask and also during very hot humid summer, but my makeup stayed put after using this one. So I love this fixer so much. Like, this does have a strong fragrance in it, but I don't mind that, because this one works beautifully, and this is so inexpensive. Like, I wish this is available in bigger bottles. I would have bought that one, because this one is a little small for me. Like, I keep on repurchasing this after every 6 months mostly. So yeah, this one is the next product that I loved using in 2021. So let's move on to eye makeup, and I have some eyeshadow palettes with me right now, and the first palettes are from Nicka K, and I have these two palettes with me right now. I'm not getting into details about eyeshadow palettes because I do have a big long separate video on eyeshadows where I have shared about my favorite eyeshadows and also shared swatches of those eyeshadow palettes. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it here. You need to go and watch that video. But yeah, these are the palettes that I've used the most during 2021. And also the Swiss Beauty palettes. These have been my most favorite. Like whenever I have felt like I need to create some looks, these are the palettes that I have gone for the most. So yeah, these are the two palettes that I've used a lot. And I also have two more palettes, and those palettes are from MyGlam, and they are the Manish Malhotra palettes, like these two. Let me show these to you all. So this is how this one looks like. This is in the shade Enchant. So, and the other one I have is called Soiri, and this is how this one looks like. These are beautiful palettes and I've used them so much. I have used them on so many of my tutorials. You guys must have seen that. So yeah, these are the palettes that I have reached out to most during 2021. And yeah, that was all about eyeshadows. And if you want to know about my detailed detailed take on these eyeshadow palettes, you need to go and watch that video. I'll also link it in the description. So yeah, that was all about eyeshadows. And since we're talking about eye makeup, how can I miss kajals? Like this year has not been, I have not been an eyeliner person, but yeah, today I'm wearing an eyeliner. But yeah, I have not worn eyeliner a lot this year. I have mostly used kajals, and I've used kajals only to smudge my upper and lower lash line. And I've created some amazing looks. I have also uploaded recap of 2021 looks. You can go and watch that short video. There I have all my looks compiled in one video. You need to go and watch that video. So yeah, these are the kajals that I've used the most. This one is my basic, like my holy grail Stay Quirky one, which I also have on my eyes today itself. So yeah, this was the first one. Next I have this Faces one. This also I have used so much on all my videos, all my tutorials, and in my real life as well. And next I have these MyGlam Lit Eyeliner Pencils. Sorry, these are the Lit Eyeliner Pencils, and this one is the MyGlam Jet Set Kajal Eyeliner in the shade Noir. This is the shade Black. So I have used all of them a lot. Let me share swatches with you all, and also keep an eye on my channel because I am going to share videos where I have shared the swatches of a lot of more eyeliners, kajals and everything. Like as I have mentioned in the starting of the video, I have done videos like on according to categories, like my favorite kajals, eyeliners. Where did I lost that? Okay. I just lost the kajal. So yeah, this is how the kajals looks like. This one is the Stay Quirky, this one is the Faces, and this one is the MyGlam one. So as I was saying, keep an eye on my channel because those short videos are going to drop real soon. So I'm not getting into a lot of swatches in this video. I'm mostly talking about the products, and yeah, I hope you guys are liking the video. And these are the MyGlam Kajal eyeliners. I have this in the shade Savage, and this one is in the shade Prom Night. I love this one so much. Like, look at that, so pretty. So I've used them the most during 2021. So yeah, that was all about kajals. And for mascaras, these has been my holy grails. I always use these two only. I wanted to use the Colossal one, this one, but I failed. But yet in 2022, I'm definitely going to use that one as well. But Maybelline makes the best mascaras. This one is the Lash Sensational Mascara, and this one is the Hypercurl Mascara. Both are my most favorite. So you can go for any of these. You can go for waterproof or washable variant according to your need and concern. I always use the waterproof variant because my eyes are very watery and I also sweat a lot. So I always use waterproof ones, but you can go for the washable ones as well. So yeah, these two have been my most favorite during 2021. Even though I have not been an eyeliner person in 2021, but whenever I felt like using some color, like some pop of color on my eyes, I have gone for these two. Like these are the NY Bay Ellis Island eyeliners, and this one is in the shade green and blue. As you can see, these are very pretty. I have the blue one on my eyes today. Like the blue is looking like almost black, but this one I am wearing on my eyes, the blue one. And I love these eyeliners. These are metallic eyeliners, not matte, but they are very long lasting. They're smudge proof, water resistant, and sort of waterproof as well. Like if you're using water on it and if you're not smudging it, this is not going to go anywhere. But if you put water on it and if you're rubbing it vigorously, this is going to smudge. But otherwise these are very long lasting. This doesn't fade away very easily. So yeah, whenever I've felt like using eyeliners, these are the ones I have used. Also, I've used the Lakme Insta Liner, which I do not have right now with me. I've forgotten to bring that. I've used that one as well. And also I've used this My Glam HD Definition Stay Defined brow powder and liquid eyeliner. This is the dual product. This has brow powder and the eyeliner both in it, and I've used both, but I love the liquid eyeliner the most because this is jet black. This is black plus this is matte, which is something that I love. Like this actually looks exactly similar like the Lakme Insta Liner, but this one is like black and matte, and I love that. And the tip is very fine, which makes the application more easier. Like you can even draw it on your inner corners, which is something that I love. So I have used this one also a lot. And oh my god, this video is going like so long. Like this is going to be a long video. And the next products that I have are blushes, and I have blushes from My Glam. These are the My Glam K Play blushes. This one is the strawberry, this one is the raspberry. I do not know, I have bought the raspberry one with me, but I have used the peach one more. But still I got the raspberry one very recently, but I am in love with this one as well. So let me show the blushes to you all. Like this one is strawberry, this one is raspberry, and look at that. This looks beautiful, and I have used them so much during 2021, and especially the strawberry one I've used the most, and also the peach one. You can go for any of these blushes. I have all three with me, and if you want to see a swatch and review video on these blushes, do let me know. I can do that video for you all, because I have all the three variants of K Play blushes with me. And the next blush that I've used the most is this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush, and this one is the old packaging, but I've used it so much. And I think this is going to expire also very soon, like this year only, I guess 2022. So I'll repurchase this one for sure. And I also have these Stay Quirky blushes with me right now, and I've used them also so much. Like I cannot tell you all, I love these blushes a lot. These are very affordable. And the shades are very pretty. And let me show the shades to you all. Wait, yes, these are the shades. This one is Rose Starlet, and this one is Apricot Babe, and I love both of them so much. They are very buildable, pigmented, and they blends beautifully on your skin, looks beautiful, and they are matte, which is something that I really love in my blushes. So yeah, these are the next two blushes that I've used a lot during 2021. I'm so sorry, I need to go back to my favorite best products, because I have forgotten to show two base products, and this video would be incomplete if I don't show them. The first one is this Faces Canada Compact. You guys know this compact. I use this so much. I'm in the shade 01 Ivory, and I love this one so much. I've already hit pan on this one, and I've already restocked this one as well. And the second one is this My Glam HD Banana Powder, and this one is also my most favorite banana powder. This one is yellow. Like banana powders are usually yellow, so this goes in for a lot of skin tone, and you guys can see I've used it so much. I've already created a dent on this one. So yeah, you can go for these this banana powder as well. And yeah, I have forgotten to show this to you all. So yeah, and now we will move on to highlighters. The first two highlighters are from Maybelline. These are the two highlighters. This one is the Maybelline Rose Gold one, and this one is the Maybelline Molten Gold. So yeah, I have used them both during 2021 a lot, and I have a separate video on my favorite highlighters. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it here. You need to go and watch that video to know about all my favorite highlighters. But yeah, these are the highlighters that I've used the most. And also this one, Precious Petals, I'm still using it. I have it on my face as well. Like, this is my holy grail highlighter. I cannot live without this one. I'm going to repurchase this one soon, because this is, I have already hit the pan on this one, you guys can see. And yeah, I need this one in my life, so I'm definitely going to repurchase this one. Also, I am done with my highlighters. Yeah, I'm done with the highlighters. I'm not going into individual swatches, because otherwise this video is going to be nowhere. This is going to be so long. So yeah, also I have again forgotten to show something in eye makeup, and these are the Swiss Beauty Liquid Eyeshadows. And yeah, I have this in the shade this one is the shade 06, and this one is in the shade 04, like 6 and 4. So you guys can see these are very pretty, and I'm wearing 04 on my eyes today. You guys can see how pretty this one looks. This is a beautiful product. This is a beautiful product for people who are very lazy or people who doesn't know a lot about eye makeup. You can just dab it on your eyelids and you're good to go. So you can definitely go for this once, and I'm in love with these eyeshadows. And we are almost in the last category of our favorite products, and I have face palettes with me right now because I love using multi-purpose palettes a lot because these are very handy and very easy to use. The first one I have is from Swiss Beauty, and I have this in the variant 04. I have this in the variant 04, and this is how the product looks like. Beautiful one. And if you want to see a review and swatch video of this palette, I'll link it here. You need to go and watch that video because I have filmed a detailed review video on this palette. Yeah, so this is the one I have used a lot during 2021. And the next one that I have is from MyGlam. This one is a MyGlam Chisel It Contour Palette, and yeah, this is how this looks like. You guys can see this is so pretty, and I love this highlighter a lot. The blush is also very pretty, and this also comes in another variant, that is the variant Poker Face. You can go for that as well. And the third one I have is from Sugar, and this is the Sugar Contour Diffuse Face Palette in the shade Subtle Summit. And oh my god, I have used it so much. Like, look at that highlighter. You guys can see that I have actually used this product a lot. So yeah, these are the face palettes that I have loved a lot during 2021. I have tried to include all my favorite products, but yeah, it's not possible for me to include all my favorite products. So I have tried to include my favorite products, like few of them. Most of them actually, but I also have made separate videos which you need to watch, which will drop soon. I'm already uploading them on my Instagram. If you're not following me on my Instagram, go follow there because I keep on sharing all of that on my Instagram all the time. So yeah, that was it about today's video. I will have a separate video for my most used lipsticks, like favorite lipsticks of 2021, and also I might film a skincare video, like my skincare favorites for 2021 as well. Do let me know if you want to watch a skincare video because in my channel people are not interested in skincare a lot. So yeah, do let me know if you want to see a skincare favorite. But yeah, the lipstick video is going to drop super soon. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. You can follow me on my Instagram as well. I keep on posting a lot of content on my Instagram. So if you want to follow me on my Instagram, I would put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. You need to check it out from there and follow me on my Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.